watch this video and see something.
Now, if somebody had told me that I will be traveling around the world and still making a lot of money, I would have doubted it because I never saw it coming. But guess what? It was when I started learning different internet skills, online. That was when I realized that it is very possible to sit down in your house or be in another country and be making a lot of money. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we are in 2023 whereby there are so many internet skills you can learn. But the problem with people is that they are looking for how to make money fast, or they are looking for easy way of making money. But the sad thing is this: there is no easy way and there is no fast way of making money. If you really want to start making money off the internet, then you need to learn an internet skill. And among all the different kind of internet skill we have currently, I chose to learn sales and marketing. And that's the reason why, for those out there looking for how to take advantage of their smartphone and with the internet to learn sales and marketing, then that is why Mr. Great is here for you. All I want you to do is comment, "I want to learn how to sell." Hit the follow button because I'll be sharing a lot of information on how you can get started on this journey. And then lastly, you can go to my profile, click on the link, and I'll see you when you get started.